Before you use the Atlas credit card, here's what you should know. On paper, it sounds pretty interesting, but whether it's worth it really depends on what you're looking for. If you're talking about the Atlas credit card designed for building credit, one of its biggest advantages is that it's beginner-friendly. You don't need a long credit history to qualify, and it reports your payments to all 3 major credit bureaus, which can help you build your credit over time. It also offers cashback in select categories, which is a nice bonus for a starter card. That said, it's not perfect. Unlike many traditional credit cards, Atlas charges a membership fee, and your spending limit is tied to your linked bank account rather than a conventional credit line. That means it feels more like a hybrid between a debit card and a credit card. My overall take? If you're struggling to get approved for a regular credit card and your main goal is building credit, Atlas can be a useful stepping stone. But if you already qualify for a no annual fee credit card from a traditional bank, you'll probably get better long-term value elsewhere. So, is the Atlas credit card worth it? For beginners, maybe. For everyone else, there are likely better options.